Going to show you when you want to annotate a clip. We're in my library and I'm just going to press annotate, start a match, and the clip is going to upload to the media player. We allow for microphone access, and I just wanted to show you right here, you can hit the start the tour. So it shows you all the various controls you got. Compare the video, to press the button to compare it. We can go the face on if you want to add your face to the video right there. You can hit the face. Stroke match analysis. So you got two modes to do: autoplay, where you can play at any speed and record your voice, or you can annotate and you can switch back and forth, no problem. And you got the detailed scroller down here, minute scroller, of course the volume control, the mirror, so you can switch from right to lefty. You can zoom in and out with this control here, which is great to track the ball back and forth. And then you've got the play control. You can play, pause right here, and progress. Click the light gray bar tag and drag to the video where you want to begin. Backwards, forwards right here with these little minute buttons. You can use those minute buttons just to go backwards and forward. The minute scrollers. And tagging, basically, to easily highlight whatever areas of the video you want the coach to look at. And so the coach can just analyze certain aspects instead of going through the whole video. It's very easy to do. And then for the coach to view the various tags you made. And that's pretty much it for the tour, right, of what you can do to annotate.